do 8 groups or groups of 8? 8 groups, and how many were in each group? 2. How many did that take care of? And you had 8 groups of 2. How many pieces is that? In other words, what's 2 times 8? What? 16. And you had how many pieces left over? With no home for them. So you should have had 6 pieces left over.
Oh, I hate books.
Okay. Lauren has this.
Hey guys,
Let's keep.
can you explain to me how you know what you're supposed to be working on right now?
Because she puts up the lessons on the board, and it doesn't matter what order we do it in, but we just have to do it.
Oh, so you get choice over order?
Yeah.
So what are the kinds of things you have to do?
We have to complete a survey on, like, if we want to go see a ballet, and if we want to, like, take lessons, and on Google Classroom, if you have to do, like, 5 facts on there, and then you find your initials on the sheets up there, and do them if your initials are up there, and then you do Dreambox or Reflex Math.
Got it. Thanks. Hey Elias, what are you working on?
I am working on a sheet that's on my iPad, and I have to put the information into my notebook and then solve it.
And then what do you do with the information in your notebook once you've solved it?
You take a picture of it, send it to the teacher.
Oh, how come?
So, because she didn't want to come around and look at everybody's work.
Okay. So it makes it easier for her to look at your work and see how you're doing. Interesting. So what is it that you're learning about?
Division and making things into groups.
Oh, okay. Thanks for sharing, Elias.
Okay, Mariah, what did you find out? Did you do 5 groups or groups of 5? 5 groups, so how many were in each group?
Yes.
4. How many pieces does that take care of?
What'd you say?
How do you know when to go work with her?
She calls us over. There's a first group, and she calls over the first group.
20.
And then
How many pieces did you
there's
have left over? Do you have any left
3
over?
groups. And then after about 3 groups, she calls the rest of the class so they can get their lesson too.
Got it. Thanks for sharing.
You have 4.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
What are you working on?
I'm on that over there.
What is that? Exactly.
We have to do like we have to do it. You have to do standard form, cube form, I think, and word form on each because our teachers told us to.
Okay. So what are you learning by doing this?
Expanded word form and cube form and expanded form.
Why do you need to know this?
Because it's gonna be useful when I grow up.
Yeah, okay. Probably. Well, cool. Thanks for sharing. Eliana, what are you doing?
I'm putting my picture, I'm sending it to the teacher.
Picture of what?
My work.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay, once you have your problems, you can put. Okay, I'm ready for my last group. That should be Caillou, Gretel, Patience, Eliana, Elias. You need your notebook and pencil.